I'm Jackie Riley with Chris's Basement. We're at MRRF 2023. This is Barbara Silberfeld with Greengate. And Barbara, tell us about your product.
So our filament is 100% post-industrial scrap plastic, where the filament actually starts like this. It's packaging from, like your blueberry containers or whatever. And then from that, it gets pelletized. Let's see how clear our pellets are. And then it gets extruded into our filament. We have about 30 different colors, and most of them are transparent. So you can see, because our pellets are so clear, that they all have like a little sheen and shininess to them. But we also have, of course, the opaque colors. And this year for the show, we introduced 3 new colors. We had Your Royal Highness for royal blue.
I love it.
Our amethyst, and our totally different, from a different resin, we came out with a white matte filament. So it's just a different resin, but it's all PETG and it's all recycled as well. And from this, we're hoping to come out with a black matte. That's next on the agenda. So all of these models, like from here over, Rich and his artist created. From here over, just different prints that he printed using our filament.
And I love that matte finish. It's sharp. I mean, I think it's really cool.
Yeah, we sold out.
Oh, good.
Yep.
Good for you.
Yeah, as a trial, we brought, I think, 10, and we sold out pretty quickly.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thanks. Thanks, guys.